Oh, sick. Aventador looked like an SVJ. You know what? We are in the Twisties here. Gotta see if we can go ahead and catch up to them. Well, looks like we lost him, guys. Oh, no way! That's him! Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today we are on the FZ-09, as you can see. Hope you all are having a great day today. If not, I hope this video can improve your spirits a bit. Today we are going to do a little bit of a shakedown on the FZ-09. My other bike is a KLX351, and it's great for dirt. It is on an 1821 setup, so a dirt setup, which isn't ideal for the Twisties. And so the FZ-09, of course, it's a lot of bike, and it has some dedicated street tires. This bike has a sweet competition works exhaust, quick shifter, some Battle Axe S22 tires, and we're gonna go have some fun testing this thing out. Like I said, haven't really gone to the limits of the bike. That is going to be what we're going to be doing in this video. Alright guys, here we go. Gonna feel things out a bit and see how this FZ-09 likes to rumble. Are you serious right now? I do not like riding behind big vehicles in a car or a bike because of the severe limitation to your view, being able to scan traffic up ahead. Oh, that Nissan is burning some oil. Third gear seems to be about the sweet spot for these type of Twisties. Up top. Outside. Apex. Go. view off to the right. Wow. As the Stradman would say, views on views. I'd say that was pretty fun for my first hitting the Twisties video, I guess. Ooh, FZ-09 does not like the grapple. Alright guys, about to head back right now. Oh, sick. Aventador looked like an SVJ? Oh, no way. That's so cool. You know what? We are in the Twisties here. Gotta see if we can go ahead and catch up to them. I hope I went the right way. like we lost him, guys. Probably took a wrong turn. That's okay, though. It was definitely fun trying to catch back up to him, that's for sure. Got some extra content in. Alright, well, I better find a place to pull over before I run out of gas here. Alright guys, 16 miles. Don't fail me now, FZ-09. Trucker, what are you doing? What the heck? Good thing this is my first Twisty video and I'm not shredding them 100%. I mean, come on, man, stay in your lane. That's him! I did it, guys! No way! That's the Lamborghini! Wow, what a strange string of events! No way! From taking possibly a wrong turn. Oh yeah, this is... Oh man! Oh, dude, oh, dude, no way. Indeed, a Lamborghini SVJ. Listen to that thing. That thing sounds wicked. I am so glad I turned around. Whoa! Just listen to that thing. Thing just takes off. That is cool. Looks like his dad is taking him for a ride. SVJ indeed. What a wild ride. Well, I'd say that was a pretty awesome ride if you do ask me. Started with an FZ-09 Shakedown to get used to the bike. Into Twisties, saw a Lamborghini, tried to chase him down. Thought I took the wrong turn. Getting ready to cruise home. And there he was. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it. And of course, if you're not subscribed already, go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on to keep up with all the content. FZ-09 here. The KLX is almost done with the ported head, board, throttle body, and of course has the big bore exhaust and the Dynojet power commander now, and the Corvette. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.